Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so today, tattooing 101. In order to get to really fill an area, you're gonna have to do these tiny little circles, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. How's that? Doesn't hurt?
No, I'm good. Yeah,
Pain's
you
good so
alright?
far? Yeah, I'm good. Just tell me if you need to stop.
I will. I might have to see.
Yeah. Some people get lightheaded. It's totally normal. If this ever happens, you just let me know, okay?
I will. I appreciate it.
No, man.
I'm doing good. I'm really nervous coming in.
If you got anything you want to put on Spotify playlist or anything, I just want to make sure you're comfortable. Okay? We've got snacks in the back too.
Oh, beautiful. I'm vegan.
Yeah, vegans, of course.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's looking good. You're getting better.
Yeah.
You're really.
Yeah.